Hey guys, how you doing? A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I love bananas and I love cinnamon, and I thought, what is nicer than a banana cinnamon muffin? So that's what we went ahead and made, and it is absolutely fantastic. You gotta make this. Let me walk you through it. I'm going to start with 3 really ripe bananas, and believe me, they're as ripe as the guy down the road. And I'm going to mash these up. And you want it something like this, just to the point where they begin to liquefy a bit. Next up, to a larger bowl, I'm going to add in half a cup of brown sugar. You can use white too, but I like the brown. Half a cup of vegetable oil. You can use canola. And 2 eggs. Let's get cracking here. And we're going to give these a whisk up just to the point where they're combined. Now add in the bananas. I love the smell of bananas. Next up, the dry ingredients. And what I have is a teaspoon of cinnamon. I just love cinnamon. A teaspoon of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of salt just to bring out those flavors. So we'll go ahead and add these in. And the last of the dry, a cup and 2/3 of flour. You don't have to be exactly exact here, but within reason. Take my spatula once again and mix this until it's well combined. And you want to mix this until there are no shades of flour. That's the last thing you want, is a big clump of flour in your mouth. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy ice cream scoop and fill our liners about 3/4 full. Well, something like this is perfect. Now I'm going to slip this into a 375° Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 17 to 20 minutes, just until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. After about 18 minutes, I think the muffins are beautifully done. Let's put a toothpick in here. Voila, comes out clean. So it is done, and they smell just fabulous. While the muffins are cooling off, I'm going to make our cinnamon dip by combining a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm going to pull these delicious little devils out of the muffin tray. And go ahead and peel the muffin liners off. Oh, these smell so good, guys. Dip them into our melted butter, and this is just a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then into our sugar cinnamon mixture, and just kind of roll it around here. And then onto a plate. And I should mention too, guys, you can add some nuts to this, some pecans or walnuts. They'd be really nice. And there you have it, guys, our banana cinnamon muffin. Simply divine. You gotta make this. Okay, let's taste test this. This is so good. The cinnamon, the banana just shines through. Absolutely fantastic. Everybody's going to love this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great baking stuff, recipes galore over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.